Hello dear students, welcome back in Miss class. Students, today we are going to start our next topic, that is money. So, what is money? Money is the medium of exchange for goods and service. In first part we take how to read rupees and paise, how to convert rupees into paise and how to convert paise into rupees. So, let us revise how to read and write figure in rupees and paise. So, amount of money can be written in two ways, in words as well as in figures. So, first example, 3 rupees and 50 paise, and in figure written as rupees 3.50. Remember, don't separate the rupees from paise. Next example, 3 rupees and 5 paise, and we write in figures 3 rupees point 05 paise. Most of the students make mistake in writing 50 paisa and 5 paisa. So, make note that if paise is less than 10, then write a 0 after dot. Like if there is 6 paise, then in figure it will be written as 0.06. Let's see how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. As we all know, Indian currency is rupees and paise. So, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. When we convert rupees into paise, we multiply by 100. And when we convert paise into rupees, we will divide by 100. Clear, students? So, first example, convert 8 rupees into paise. First, we convert rupees into paise, so we multiply the amount in rupees by 100. That is 8 multiplied by 100 paise. Write P at the end for paise. पैसे के लिए हम क्या राइट करेंगे? P, which is 800 paise. Right? Next example, convert 7 rupees and 30 paise into paise. Now, first we convert rupees into paise, so we multiplied by 100 paise plus 30 paise. 30 paise already given. So, that is 700 paise plus 30 paise, which is 7 and 30 paise. Clear, students? So, students, we have converted rupees into paise. Now, there is another way to convert in figure. It is written as 7 rupees and 30 paise. We can written as rupees 7.30. Remove rupees and dot, write P at the end for paise. That is 7 and 30 paise. So, this was about convert rupees into paise. Now, converting paise into rupees. So, 850 paise into rupees. So, first we convert paise into rupees. We divide by 100. Also, we count 2 digits from right side. And right side से 2 digit कौन सी आ रही है हमारी? 50. And we put a dot there. That is 8.50 paise. And write rupees at the beginning for rupees. That is clear, students? So, its answer is rupees 8.50 paise. Next example, convert 1500 paise into rupees. Same step. First, we count last 2 digits from right and put a dot there. So, we put dot after 5, which becomes rupees 15.00 paise and write rupees at the beginning for rupees. Clear students? So that is rupees 15, because we can also write that rupees 15 because 00 की कोई value नहीं है. That is clear students? Now our last example is convert 10,000 paise into rupees. Also we count last two digit, right? That is 00, which becomes 100.00 paise. So we also write rupees 100 because 00 की कोई value नहीं है, and write rupees at the beginning for rupees. Clear student? So this was about how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Clear? Now let's do an exercise. Compare the following. Use greater than, less than or equal. Rupees 70 or rupees 7.00. So we convert 7.00 into rupees because 0.00 की कोई value नहीं है. So that is rupees 7, which is less than from 70 and 70 is greater than. Next, compare 6050 paise or rupees 6.50. So we convert 6050 into rupees. So we put dot after before two digits. So that becomes 60.50 and which is greater than 6. Next, rupees 35.60 or 35.80 paise. Convert paise into rupees. We put dot, that is 35.80. So 35.80 is greater than from 35.60. Our next example is 1900 paise or rupees 19. So we convert paise into rupees. That is 19 rupees. Clear? And 19 rupees or 19 rupees both are equal. So this is equal. Next example, 7000 paise or rupees 700. So we convert paise into rupees, which becomes rupees 70, and 70 is less than from 700 rupees. That is clear, student? So this was about your comparison. Clear, students? It is your part first. I hope you might be understand this topic. Thank you.